Experience a smarter way to travel with the best-wheeled electric bicycle, designed for people who value freedom, convenience, and modern mobility. Every journey feels more enjoyable as you move effortlessly through your day while saving time and energy. Whether for daily commuting or leisure rides, this electric bicycle inspires confidence, independence, and the excitement of embracing a more comfortable lifestyle. Number 1. Snow Takeaway Folding Portable Scooter. Foldable design, compact and portable, the Snow Takeaway Folding Scooter is ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. Electric Assist. Enjoy a boost with the electric scooter's powerful electric assist. Perfect for short commutes. Two-wheeled versatility. Explore diverse terrains with the two-wheeled electric vehicle, designed for snow and more. Durable battery options. Choose from 48/12 or 48/15 battery options for extended electric scooter usage. Real-time quotation. Get the best price with real-time quotation, ensuring a fair transaction for both parties. Number 2. Electric bicycle 25 km/h 48 volts lithium battery. Hello, dear customers and friends. The price of this product does not include freight. If you are interested in this product, you are welcome to consult all kinds of information about the product, freight and transportation channels. Notify the buyer. The store quotes in real time. The product price is for reference, and the actual transaction price is determined by negotiation between the two parties. Please contact customer service to confirm the price and delivery date before the auction. The price has not yet been determined, and the store has the right not to deliver the goods. At the same time, all the goods we sell are genuine, guaranteed by the physical company. Please rest assured to buy, because the actual price or cost of the product will fluctuate. If you want to buy, please send the specific model and delivery country of the product to the customer service. After confirmation, the customer service will give you the actual price. If you place an order without consulting customer service, we have the right to ask you to make up the difference. Please consult customer service before placing an order. If you live in a remote place, you will have to pay the difference. Number 3. New high-quality adult and kids mountain bike. Outdoor adventures become more exciting when every journey feels smooth, enjoyable, and memorable. This mountain bicycle is an excellent choice for men, women, students, teenagers, and young riders who enjoy exploring roads, parks, pathways, and open spaces. It creates a sense of freedom that encourages an active routine while bringing excitement to everyday travel. A stylish design helps riders stand out with confidence wherever they go. Morning commutes, afternoon recreation, campus transportation, and weekend outings become more enjoyable opportunities to create lasting memories. Families searching for a meaningful gift often appreciate a bicycle that inspires movement, independence, and personal growth. The available 20-inch, 22-inch, 24-inch, and 26-inch sizes make it suitable for different age groups and riding preferences. Whether choosing a multi-speed or single-speed option, riders can enjoy a comfortable experience that supports their lifestyle goals. This bicycle delivers a practical way to stay active, discover new places, strengthen daily habits, and enjoy every moment spent outdoors with greater enthusiasm and satisfaction. Number 4. Adult and adolescent folding electric bicycles. Modern transportation is becoming more important for people who value flexibility, convenience, and personal freedom. This folding electric bicycle offers an appealing solution for adults and adolescents seeking an easier way to move through daily routines. Busy mornings, educational commitments, social visits, and recreational trips become more enjoyable when travel feels effortless and rewarding. Its compact design makes it an attractive choice for individuals living in apartments, student housing, or urban environments where space matters. Many riders appreciate having a dependable mobility option that supports an active lifestyle while reducing dependence on crowded transportation. The sense of independence created by personal travel often brings greater confidence and satisfaction throughout the day. The 14-inch size is ideal for those who prefer a practical and space-saving alternative without sacrificing comfort. Whether heading to classes, meeting friends, exploring local neighborhoods, or enjoying fresh air during leisure time. This electric bicycle encourages movement and discovery. It delivers a smart combination of convenience, mobility, and everyday enjoyment, making it a valuable addition to a modern and fast-paced lifestyle. Number 5. Electric bike for adults. 26-1500 watts peak power and 28 miles per hour top speed. Conquer any trail with a robust 1500 watts peak brushless motor, reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This e-dirt bike-inspired e-bike delivers instant torque for steep hills and rugged terrain, offering both thrilling performance and reliable commuting power. 5-mode versatility for every ride. Choose from 5 smart riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, cruise, manual, and unique boost push, to effortlessly adapt to city streets, mountain paths, or long-distance travel. Switch modes on the go and tackle diverse landscapes with confidence. 7-speed gear system and dual disc brakes navigate varying elevations smoothly with a professional 7-speed gear set. Allows you to change the gears for adapting to different terrains. E-bike equipped with dual mechanical disc brakes reduce braking distance by 50% in wet conditions. Multifunction LCD display, which can easily track the riding data, such as current speed, cycling mileage, 1.5 par level, battery level, etc.